India's AI infrastructure ambitions are scaling up fast. Here at the India AI Impact Summit, we saw one of the first few announcements coming in from AMD and TCS, who've announced an expansion of the strategic partnership to bring in Helios, a rack-scale AI infrastructure to India with a scalable capacity of about 200 megawatts. Now, this project will be rolled out via TCS subsidiary Hypervolt data centers, but what does it really mean for the Indian companies? To understand all that and more, I'm joined by Archana of AMD. Thank you so much, Archana. First of all, tell us about Helios. Very exciting announcement.
Thank you so much, Rachna. We are super excited to be here and talk about Helios, but more importantly about AMD's partnership with India and in support of India's wonderful ambition to be an AI infrastructure nation. When you talk about an AI infrastructure nation, it's about taking how you approach data centers and thinking AI first. And when you're talking AI first, it's about bringing in that vision and converting it in a way that you're doing open, high-performance infrastructure that can deploy at scale. And that's what Helios is, right? This is a beautiful state-of-the-art equipment that we've developed. This is a rack-scale system, 72 GPUs. This is 2.9 exaflops of FP4 performance, which is massive. And this means when you're talking about trillion parameter models, AI training and inference at scale, this deployed in India puts India at the cutting edge, and that's what we're excited about.
Right. This is the year of execution, not just for one or two companies, but globally the AI space is now moving from pilots to projects. Now is when we see AI infrastructure come up. What are the challenges that you are seeing, or you are foreseeing rather, in the process of this? Because we've reached a place where now we're done piloting and now it's time for action.
I think you have a ton of opportunity. This is an amazing time. My view, and I think a lot of us believe this, right? India has been at the forefront of services and software talent. It is the talent hub in the world. But this is about now becoming an AI infrastructure hub for the world. And intelligence going forward is both human and artificial. And a huge part of that artificial intelligence component is compute. And so how do you build this compute? How do you scale it? How do you build this ambition? So all of the things you're seeing at this summit, at these initiatives, it's really an amalgamation of what's coming. And so we're just super excited to be a part of it and to play a role.
Right, but to understand more about Helios from a technical level, how does it set you apart now? How does it bring in the differentiation that is needed?
I mean, think about at a very simple level, right? If you had to fill a pool with a garden hose, it would take you forever. Now you think of thousands of garden hoses filling that pool. That's really what this is. It's not about a simple computer solving a single problem. This is about millions of problems that can be solved. That's the beauty of it. When you talk about a trillion parameter model, one rack that can go drive those kind of outcomes, that is massive. So the ambition has to be, how can you go drive all these opportunities at scale? And that's what we're thinking about.
You know, Archana, we've been having so many conversations on the sidelines of this event. One particular theme that has come about, and it's pretty sad, that energy would be a bottleneck rather than innovation, because it would be a sad scenario if there's no dearth of innovation, but if energy becomes a critical constraint. So how far up is power efficiency and cooling on the priority list?
It's very important for us, right? I mean, when you look at the core philosophy of how AMD builds, we build open, right? Because open drives better TCO. We always look for energy efficiency, so we always do by design. We are looking and driving liquid cooled, which helps and optimates and performs even more. So this is front and center for us, right? You want to deliver the most performant equipment that has the right TCO, looking at energy efficiency and is driving the right outcomes, and that's front and center for us in our design philosophy and how we approach everything.
And the capacity is also quite a bit scalable up to 200 megawatts. So how do you plan to execute that when it comes to executing something of that level in India?
Look, I think AI is all about scale. And when you are talking about scale, this is about the ambition you have about driving infrastructure and intelligence as a way of differentiating how a country operates and how you lead the world. Scale should not be a limiting factor. So when we talk about design, we build our design decisions to be the best partner for the ambition that folks have. And for us in this case, we are ready to match any ambition that any of the major players in India have, right? So 200 megawatts is the ambition. You should have a much bigger ambition, and we are ready and we have the infrastructure to support whatever ambition folks here have.
You've also partnered with the top player of this space. How did that partnership come about, and what are the opportunities that you saw with this partnership?
Look, I mean, we're very blessed with the relationships we have with all of the major players in the country, and even with this specific partnership, we are grateful for the opportunity. And as I said, AMD's belief is about building the best compute that drives AI everywhere for everyone. And to make sure as we're doing this, we are showing up with each of our partners to support their missions in the best way possible. So we are hugely committed to be supportive and drive the success that they're having. And this is India's ambition that we're servicing.